Good morning. W. Well, I'm kinda still tired, but Mom is probably waiting for me. Well, I'm honestly kinda hungry, so let's see what Mom made for breakfast.
Ow!
Sorry, Mom.
Can I sit?
You know what? Forget the chair.
Son, get off the table.
So, Mom, what are we eating?
Pumpkin again.
Yummy. Anyways, Mom, can I go ride my bike?
Sure, but come back before it gets dark. I heard there's a thunderstorm warning at night and can cause some flooding.
Yay, yay. I'm kinda lazy, so I'ma jump out the balcony. Mom, replace these floorboards. Anyways, I'ma get on my bike. Is my bike okay? There we go. Oh. I am tired after also in a ride like this. Wait, I feel off because it's too windy. Clicked wrong button, so bye-bye.